Hey Millville, it's Laury Heating, Cooling and Plumbing here. We know how important it is to keep your home comfortable and running smoothly year-round. Whether you need an air conditioning repair, a heating tune-up, a new system installation, or plumbing help like water heaters, drain cleaning, or leak repairs, we've got you covered. In Millville, we often see older homes dealing with aging ductwork and inefficient heating and cooling systems. Our team can help improve your comfort, energy efficiency, and overall system performance with solutions tailored to your home and the unique needs of South Jersey homeowners. As a local family-owned South Jersey business in operation since 1945, we take pride in honest service, reliable work, and treating your home like it's our own. So when you're searching for trusted HVAC and plumbing services with great Google reviews in Millville, Vineland, Bridgeton, or anywhere in South Jersey and Cumberland County, New Jersey, remember, don't be sorry, call Laury. Schedule your service today.